iOS 18 is packed with new features designed to enhance user experience and customization. Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference 2024 was a showcase of innovation, particularly with the introduction of iOS 18, the latest version of the iPhone operating system. This update is packed with new features designed to enhance user experience and customization. One of the standout additions is the ability to arrange apps and widgets on the home screen and customize buttons, providing users with greater control over their device's appearance. Additionally, iOS 18 introduces new text effects, the option to lock and hide apps for increased privacy, and advanced tools for managing your mail inbox. A groundbreaking feature in this update is the introduction of iMessages over satellite, ensuring connectivity even in remote areas. The Photos app also sees a significant redesign, making it easier to organize and enjoy your memories. For those eager to try these new features, the iOS 18 public beta is now available. However, it's important to remember that beta software can come with bugs and instability, so proceed with caution. Gadinsider has compiled a list of devices compatible with iOS 18. Let's take a look. A list of devices compatible with iOS 18: iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Mini, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Mini, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone 6 second generation or later.